Step into the new era of refinish color mixing with PPG's Moonwalk automated system. Collision repair shops that replace traditional manual processes with the innovative Moonwalk mixing machine enjoy eliminated waste and mess, automated processes, and accuracy for greater profits. PPG's robust, easy-to-use technology sets a higher standard for the refinish paint market, transforming pains into gains for a clean, safe facility and improved performance. As a self-contained unit, the Moonwalk mixing system eliminates mess, creating a cleaner work environment. And our proprietary design optimizes material consumption by mixing only what's required for the job.
For the Moonwalk, and is basically a painter, hand mixes every paint. And every painter, no matter how thorough the painter tries to be, is going to overpour and drips of paint. Anyone who's been in any mixing room can see that there's drops of paint everywhere. Well, those drops of paint are expensive. And the drops of paint can also cause less accuracy in a mix.
Additionally, integrated color and system software delivers more consistent quality over hand mixing. Automated dispensing allows other departments to help prep paint while all team members can multitask for better productivity.
Moonwalk has saved us some time by not having the painter mix the paint and having someone else do it. And while my parts department, he comes in and he will start that mix, load up the toners, and then press start and it'll go. And then he will go back into checking in parts. And then when he's done checking in parts, the mix is done. So you can be mixing paint while doing other things as well.
Paint technicians also benefit from ultra-precise automated mixing, including guided product selection and exact color matching for predictable results.
One of the ways the Moonwalk has really affected the business is typically you'll see a color come in, you're like, oh no, that color's gonna be rough. But now the process that we use is the painter identifies the color using the camera and then puts all the information into the Moonwalk. And then once the mix is started, the painter can move on and do something else, because the act of mixing paint and dripping the little drops is very tedious and also is not as accurate, but it is really impressive how close some of these colors have come. So if there's anything you can do in our business to reduce variability, which we feel like we've done using the Moonwalk.
The Moonwalk's efficient mixing technology can help maximize your business revenue by streamlining processes to increase throughput, reduce labor and material, and further your shop's reputation of excellence.
If you're thinking about getting the Moonwalk, I would definitely recommend it because you are going to save time and you're going to save money on materials. Each bottle, takes every ounce out of it. It's bone dry. And so you're saving, material dollars and in, labor dollars.
There's going to be a serious paint savings because each one of the drops costs money. And with the Moonwalk, one of the most obvious technical differences is it mixes to the 100th, not to the 10th. So it is much more accurate with the color match. And then the painter, when he has full confidence, knowing that this color is gonna match the first time right, there's no need to mix up extra paint that you might need to tint and pour this and pour that, because you need 8 ounces or 15 ounces or whatever you need, but specifically it's gonna match and you're gonna use just what you need to use.
PPG's Moonwalk is revolutionizing how collision repair centers operate as no other system has before. Reach out today to learn more about how your shop can benefit.